G'day traders, Sam here from Trade to Prosper to give you a crypto update on Link or Chainlink. This is going to be quick and simple, just to give you enough time to, I suppose, consider the trade. Looking at Link, just basically using Fibonacci. Top 1 and the previous bottom down there is 0. And you can see that 0.5 is perfectly there. We have other means of looking at this chart as well. You can do the swing extension, so you can go top to bottom to top, and let's just see if there's any confluence. No, there's the only confluence is that middle section there with the 1.272, 1.414, but see how we didn't get the 1.618. I was looking for that. It's pretty much the 0.5 is playing the role at the moment, and it might just continue to do that. The fact that if we close above this trend, this main resistance here, which is 1.418, which is about $5.80 or whatever it is, if we close above that, then it's going to be bullish. Now we have also this potential trend line. Let's see from a non-log perspective. No, that doesn't help. So if we get the wicks, we need to consider wicks, and let's just do the double line and bring it in to the body of the candles. Yep, that's the body. So that one quite misses. We might have a scenario where it might just be like that. Either way, it's not easy to do, but that's what we have. And let's just change that to a dotted one so we can. Actually, I'll do the other way around. Usually the wicks I'll have a dotted line, which is my standard. Okay, here we have the Phoenix indicator. With these dots means pretty much divergence, overextended, and we've been overextended here, and we're getting a crossover. So when you look at it on that perspective, we're getting a crossover. This could be bullish. We still haven't got this confirmed with the. We want to see the energy go above it, but this is the 5-day chart. So we're not there quite yet, but that's 5 days. And we'll get into a small time frame. Let's have a look. Here we go. Let's just put it back in order. Right here, I have a trade going on with our group, and if I just do that. I did call it out actually. Back down here, we're looking at that level, and that looked like a bottoming formation of some sort. So we tried the breakout from there. Well, some of us did anyway. And it's going pretty well. I thought we might just pull back a bit and do the consolidation triangle type of thing, but this one is a 1, 2, 3 up, and right now I think is resistance, and I'll give you the reasons for it. So let's have a look at the small time frame on the 4-hour. So we're looking at this area on the small time frame. And where are we? Here we go. So we have resistance there. Now, why is that resistance there? We can have a look. Initially, we want to get an understanding of why things take place. That makes sense. So if I was to bring this across, you can see the confluence with my Fibonacci, with the wick, got the 0.2. That was my Fib extension 1. Now we're breaking above it. 0.618, it was the main resistance. Just make that assumption. That was the main resistance, and now you can see the confluence of 1. So I'm looking at there as the next target, 1.272. Just like that. Let's just make that bigger, so obviously you guys can't see it. It's too small. There we go. And we're having a breakout to the top. Can we see any other patterns in there? Not really. I'm sure this is a reversal bottom, which is, you can't call it until it happens, but it's basically a swing failure pattern. Yep. That is, and so we're looking for these levels for resistance. Either 1.272, 1.414, probably it's the main one. You can see that level acting as resistance, and that's, we got that there and there. So this might just continue on, but on a smaller time frame, it's looking good. And that's the swing failure pattern, failed auction type of thing. A, B, C, and then up. So that's a nice reversal. When can you be confirmed bullish? Like I said, we need to break above. Why is this $5.90 and that one's $6? That doesn't make sense. Sorry about the noise in the background. $5.90 there. Oh, those numbers. Ah, that's percentage regular. Damn it. No wonder. Logarithmic. Hold on. Not percentage. Okay. $5.90. Okay, that's better. And what we have also, one can consider, is this macro. We're looking for the bump and run strategy. So this is going to get a rejection here at the 1.72. If it goes the way it's going, it's likely to get a rejection. If it breaks through, my advice is to jump in for sure, and we will look for. So it's likely to get. Actually, let's get the color out. Damn it! Come on. So if this breaks through and hits the 1.414, we're going to have a bit of a squeeze there. So the retest is a good place to end. Jump in here if it breaks through. So I would wait now. No need to jump in. If it pulls back, it's likely it could pull back, and then formation, and then break out, and then there's still a bit more to go. But that level, so $6, and let's do this as well. Can't do from there. I think I can do from here. No, I didn't want that. Got the wrong one. Here we go. Here we go. So we're looking for a breakout. Chances are that we can get a rejection. And let's do this. Oh, all greens. Things are moving along. Let's start again on that one. So, just like this. Interesting enough, that was a good opportunity to have short. Really, damn it. Nice pin bar. Here we go. We might get a pin bar and then come back down. That's when he's short, and then likely to find support here. And I think this is an area where we're going to just have consolidate under resistance and then break out. There's a possibility that we come back down as well. However, I think we're going to be stuck here for a while. Break out, find this as resistance, and then maybe pull back one more time and then up. That's one scenario. The other scenario is we break decisively above, retest this, find your entrance, guys. That's a good entry, and then potentially break up there or just bounce around, and you'll be in a range to trade. And I dare say Bitcoin will be in a range as well. So that's another strategy, and then it just breaks out and you can trade the breakout from there, and that's the bullish sign. That's basically, this is the main resistance, as you can see. But there should be more around somewhere here. Okay, we've got that level as well. Here we go. So we're going to have resistance here potentially as well. Damn it, I didn't see that one, did I? That's where we are now. I think we're getting resistance right there. Perfectly. There we go. So that's the other scenario as well. So we've got that, and you can see ever so slightly the wick. This is a 4-hour chart, but that's basically it. Let's do it a bit more accurate. There we go. And the 4-hour, and we're getting a rejection there. Excuse me with the alarm. I dare say that we'll still continue on. I think if it pulls back a little bit, you might find that the one as a point $5.80, and then it just continues, and then we find resistance, and then that's how one way of looking at it. If we break strongly through it, then look for the retest and then up. I think there's a beautiful setup there. I'm gonna leave it at that, and then follow me on later on and with the macro. But I think if we get through that, that's going to be a pretty bullish sign, and that'll be that level, and then we get to this level here, which is about $6, high $6 range. We have some levels here that we need to break above, but this macro trend line is the one that's going to hold us back. But at the moment, 5 days looking bullish, 3 days is probably already there. Look at that reversal, and we've got the momentum to the upside. Strong bullish candle, bottoming formation. Its momentum is, I think it will drive it to that level here, to the $7 range, and we want to see these follow through on the 2-3 day. Let's look on the daily. The daily, it's already up. There we go, the daily level resistance. So this is our daily level resistance there, and make it thicker. There we go. So come to $6 round number, I think we'll find resistance, and that matches up, I think, with here, $6 with that trend line, basically. Does. So that's a daily level. So if we'll do just sync that, okay, there we go. That's right there, perfect. So things are lining up really nicely, and we've got some bullish scenarios come in the coming week. Might go quicker than we expect, but that's it, guys. Please give me a like and share. Come and join our channel. Hopefully pick some tips from this, and talk to you soon. Cheers.